Yung idle niya kasi yung problema, oh. Ayo, oh, mahuhuli pa konti. Tsaka ngayon naka cold start pa yan eh. Ayun na.
Halos ayaw bumaba ng ano, yan o.
Malalaan mamaya.
Ano pare, i-relearn mo?
Susubukan ko. Neutral. Ano? Stop the engine. Please make sure the gear shift is neutral. Neutral. Tapos tipid. Oh, malinis na lahat eh. Okay, repair to. This gear shift is neutral. Set the parking brake. Oh, handbrake naman. Ayan. On some vehicles after the PCM is reset, idle may be low or erratic until the SN PCM is perfect. So, value IAC learning occurs for 10 minutes at normal temperature. Yan, na-learn na. After, malayo na sa kanina.